To get the most health benefits and flavor, choose raw and unpasteurized products surrounded by a lot of liquid in the jar. Hi, I'm Dr. Miller. Fermented foods like kimchi and sauerkraut are among the hottest trends among chefs these days. That's great news for flavor. But even better, fermented foods are rich in probiotics that help nourish healthy gut bacteria and happy digestion. They're especially beneficial for people with irritable bowel syndrome and other digestive woes. Miso, tempeh, and kefir are other types of fermented foods. It's easy to find terrific fermented foods at supermarkets, health food stores, and ethnic markets. To get the most health benefits and flavor, choose raw and unpasteurized products surrounded by a lot of liquid in the jar. You can also make your own sauerkraut at home. Here's how. Shred 5 pounds of cabbage, then sprinkle it with 3 tablespoons of salt. Place that concoction in a pot with a weighted lid. Keep it in a cool place like your pantry for a couple of days. The sugar in the cabbage will convert to lactic acid that prevents the cabbage from rotting and encourages the growth of healthy bacteria called lactobacilli. Serve your tasty kraut as a condiment with soups, stews, sandwiches, or roast meat. I'm Dr. Miller. Watch all our smart tips for more ways to nourish your health.